time I call you up, all you do is let me down. Should've known there was nothing better.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone in this room. Welcome to today's SMT graduates meeting. Type me if you can hear me. Okay, fantastic. Today event is open to the public. We have some public here with us. Ban, who I think is graduate, right? And Eugene and Desmond. Okay, welcome. The rest, welcome to today SMT graduates class. Okay, so let's get started. First thing first, disclaimer, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose. These are not advised to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, so what we'll do especially for those people who are first time joining us, we're going to talk about the market first, and then later we're going to go into the individual stocks. Okay, so let's talk about the market first. Long term. Okay, we split our outlook into different time frame. First, we look at the long term, 1 year and 1 year and more. So what do you think is the uptrend? Okay, so what do you think is a trend for long term, up or down? Up, right? Okay, very clear. Okay, so we have the weekly position charts. It's still up, right? Okay, so nothing much you need to do right now. Support is around 4,330. This is a support right now, but since then the index has been still going up. So right now for long term, yeah, still up, nothing much. Okay, so for shorter time frame, for position daily, 3 to 9 months trend, what do you think is a trend? 3 to 9 months trend, up or down? Also up, right? Okay, so nothing much you need to do. If you're holding long position, just continue to hold on. Yeah, it's just going up still. Okay, so next we go into position daily. Okay, swing weekly, which is a 1 month outlook. Okay, 1 month outlook. So 3 to 9 months is up, one year is up. 3 to 9 months right now at this moment is overbought. Okay, you can see from here, price is over here right now. If you want to trade for the next 1 month, you want to get in for the next 1 month, now it's not a good time to get in. What do you want to do if you want to trade for the next 1 month? That means you want to buy and hopefully want to sell within the next 1 month. What is the thing that you want to look for? One month right now you cannot buy, but what do you look for? You look for a pullback. Yeah, Gabriel, you look for a pullback back into the MA. Yes or no? Okay, back into the MA. Here, look at the CCI to drop back down, right? Okay, so that is for the 1 month outlook. Okay, for the retracement, maybe it will not drop back to the 20 MA because the trend is so strong. You can also use the 10 MA as the indicator to tell you when is the pullback area that you can buy. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so we have the 1 year, do nothing. 3 to 9 months, do nothing. 1 month, don't buy right now. If you're holding, it's okay. Then 1 week. Okay, let's talk about 1 week. One week, what do you do right now at this moment? Can buy or not? Cannot, right? Okay, this moment cannot buy. You want to wait for the pullback again, wait for the CCI, wait for a price to pull back in the 20 MA, something like this, then you can buy. Type yes if you all know this. So right now don't have CCI is high, wait for it to pull back down to this way, then you can get in. All clear on what to do. That good if you understand all your time frame. Okay, for those that are public, every single week we do this. Okay, what it means is since months ago, long term really up. We already mentioned this to our SMT graduates. Type yes if the SMT graduates agree. We already told you, right, that it's going to go up for months already right now. Okay, so so that will be for the S&P 500. So today, since open to public, any question on the S&P 500? Any question? Would there be a pullback in September? I don't know lah. Okay, but what we are doing is we are trading the setup. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand, we are trading the setup. We are not fortune telling. What we do is we look for the setup and trade the setup. Does it make sense or not? Okay, so if you are doing position, let's say example position daily, okay, so what do you do? Position daily right now, what do you do? If you are in the profit ready, you can use this dotted red line as your stop loss. Yes or no? Okay, as a stop loss. That means the price goes up, it closed below here, 4230. It closed below, keyword is close below. And if close below and next candle, it break below, you can exit. Type yes if you understand. That's how you do a trailing stop loss, okay? So now the price, you see over here, even here, right? It closed below, but next day it didn't go below, so no exit. So right now here, nothing to do. The price goes below, then and next day go below, that will be the exit. Is it clear? Okay, all clear, huh? Okay. Com is not making new high, should it be concerned? No, okay, don't need to look at the divergence as an indicator to buy or sell. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, divergence should not be an indicator of whether you should buy or sell. What is it telling you over here right now? It is as the price goes higher, since this comp is over here, as the price goes higher, right now, the accelerator, right? The momentum, right, is what? Is dropping. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, that means this is the accelerator and this is the speed of the truck right now. They are letting off the accelerator. Does it mean that it will not step on the accelerator again? It does not mean that it will not step accelerator again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That means it can diverge and then after that continue to uptrend again. Type yes if you understand. So same thing here, you can diverge and then continue to uptrend again. But if you leave it for too long, if you let the accelerator for too long, then what happened? If you let the accelerator for too long, then this will slowly drift down, and candlestick turn red, then eventually you will exit. Do you all follow what I'm saying? If you leave it off for too long, then the thing will come down, eventually exit. Okay? But at this moment, it's just letting go. You can continue to press on again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Any other question? If we are members of public, you have any question, feel free to ask. What time frame can you enter long position right now? Okay, so guys, when you trade, right, you need to decide the time frame first. What is your time frame first? Is your time frame 1 year? Is a time frame 1 month? Is a time frame 1 week? Then you look for the risk reward trade. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, so that is how you trade. Okay, you should not ask like what time frame can I enter long position right now, because you can enter long position. Let's say example for long term. Let's say, Collin say uptrend is long term is up right now, buy today. Okay, because people who follow the position weekly have already entered here already, and they are already in a profit of 13% already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so that is the context. So what I will say is look at your setup. Okay, whether it's long term, when you wait for candlestick change color, whether it's mid-term, let's say example you wait for position daily, when you have arrow with teeth, you enter here, okay, or whether it's weekly position or daily position. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you must wait for the opportunity, then you enter. Got it? Rather than say, okay, right now can I buy here and hold for the next 3 to 9 months? The answer is no lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because by right you should enter here or earlier. Does it make sense? Type yes if it makes sense. Or let's say 1 year, you should enter earlier already. Okay. Then if let's say I'm talking about 1 week, 1 week now can buy or not? Answer is no. 1 month now can buy, and the answer is no. Got it? Okay. So that is the answer lah. Okay. So it's very systematic in terms of when to get in, and also what time frame you get in that trade for. Got it? Okay. How to get in, when you get in, and hold until when. Okay. So like position weekly, now you're looking for what? Position weekly, now you're looking for candlestick turn rate. Okay, which is a bit hard to turn rate right now lah, because the price is so high right now. Yes or no? Okay. So that does that answer your question, Joshua? That's your question, right? Any other question? This batch, we have our batch 147 in with us today. Who is from batch 147? Type 147. Oh, okay, we have quite a few 147 today. Okay. Well, today quite little people, 380. Okay, public got 209. Maybe all go public already. Okay. So anyway, by the way, the SMT graduate, please go and join the Zoom class, okay? Because later we will end the public stream yet, okay? So go and join the Zoom, okay? Go and join the Zoom. Okay, so for those people type 147 go and join the Zoom class, okay? What's that? Desmond, Sebastian, Benicia, right? Go and join the Zoom class, okay? At the link. Okay, so because we got meeting after the meeting, right? Now we got the secret group SMT meeting, and then after the secret group SMT meeting, we have another more secret meeting. Okay, okay, got it, huh? Okay, so now we go to the NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ long term. Guys, this one I don't want to repeat too many times, yes or no? Because the fact is every week is about the same now. Or if you are first time, maybe you think, hey, quite new, but for the SMT graduate, every week the same thing, right? Okay, until the candle change color that week, then I'll tell you long-term exit right now, yes or no? If not, since here we have been bullish already, right now, long-term we are up about 20% already. Okay, now we go to position daily, okay, also up already, you can see from here, up already. Just one thing to take note, you need to have the 6-month high, yes or no? So 6-month high was when? So was maybe here lah, or yes or no? Here or maybe here. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand the 6-month high. So the price here, clear the 6-month high, then from there you can enter it. Got it? Okay, next we go to position weekly swing. Okay, weekly swing. The weekly swing again overbought at this moment right now. Cannot buy. Wait for the price to pull back. I guess if there's a pullback, look for the 10 MA. Yes or no? Look for the 10 AA. Don't go and anticipate that the market will drop. Type yes if you heard what I say. Don't go and anticipate that the market will drop. There's a very big influencer since beginning of the year, keep asking people to sell. Well, if you follow the influencer and short, die already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Don't do that. Don't anticipate. Yes or no? In fact, beginning of the year, ask you to buy. Type yes if you all agree. Oh, since beginning of the year, long term this year I'm bullish. Yes or no? Oh, okay. So don't go against the market lah. Oh, okay. So that will be weekly position, weekly swing, and then last one is daily swing. Daily swing. There was a setup. Can you all see the setup over here? That yes, you can see. Oh, price come down, CCI low. Wait for the trigger. Trigger is here. Now you're in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Type yes, you can see. Oh, good. Okay, so you can see X-ray eyes, right? So you can see right now it's 4 days already. Okay. Okay. Done. Done, Okay. So next, maybe today we do a bit different things. Before we do different things, let's finish up the index first. Any other index? Take a look. STI not suitable for trading. Don't need to trade. Just wait for cheap to buy. Yes or no? Okay, cheap to buy. Where is cheap? Cheap is here lah. Some of y'all still holding the long-term STI since 2020. Who still holding since 2020 April period? That me, you bought then, okay? So some of y'all still holding, congratulations. Now you're up how many percent? Up about 40%. Hey, STI 40%, not bad, right? Yes or no? Okay. And the key is you're still holding, yes or no? Okay. At this moment, I don't think market will clear, STI will clear here yet. Okay. Yet we want to look for a catalyst. Okay. For SMT graduate, when do you think the next catalyst will happen or may happen? When do you think it will go here? Election. Someone become president. Not so long, not so long. I don't think so long. When do you think it will happen? Okay. First thing, we have a challenge, which is our currency. Our currency strong or weak? Our currency strong or weak? Very strong. Okay. Strong until I don't know how to say. Okay. So let's say, example, you go to weekly chart. You look at, let's look at Malaysia for a time being. Okay. Look at Malaysia, right? If you look at currency versus Malaysia, long term, okay, it's like, see, the Malaysian ringgit weakened against us, long term. And this is very long term, yes or no? Okay. Last time $3, people say, wow, so good, can buy already. Yes or no? But now it's 350, we will still continue to drop. Okay. But if let's say you versus US currency or other currency, generally is what trend? Generally, compared to US dollar, compared to almost every other currency, we are strong. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So on top of your 40% gain, you also gain from currency. Yes or no? Then you go and spend overseas, or go Japan, go other countries. Yes or no? But even against US dollar, we are strong. Do you know that? That yes, if you know, against pound, all this, we are also strong. Okay, against US dollar, we are long term. I'm not talking about short term. Long term, we are also strong. So you can see from here, weekly charts, we are also strong. Yes or no? Last time 140, now 130. Okay, so you can see we are strong. Yes or no? So that is for Singapore dollars. Where I suddenly go to Singapore dollars. Okay, but do you understand what I'm saying? So meanwhile, while you wait, you also get dividend. The dividend, I think about 3%. Okay, while you have this thing. Okay. QQQ just I covered already. QQQ same as Nasdaq lah. Same as Nasdaq. Long term is like this. Okay. Then after that, position daily is like this. Position daily like this. And then swing, see yourself lah. Okay. Okay. See yourself. Got it. Okay, how to join the Zoom class? Go to the Facebook group, then go and see the link. Okay, or go to Telegram, check the link. Got it? Usually about 7:30, we will post up the thing already. Literally, you still holding your STI or not? Or you don't have? Have or steady. Okay, good. I know Zach also have. Zach, you still have, Zach? Mr. All In, you still have, right? Okay, good. Okay, so now let's go to Hang Seng. Hang Seng Index, long term. Long term, this one right now at this moment is candlestick turn rate. Let's take away this one. Okay, so if you are 1 year or more, right? Actually, this is not down. I mentioned this before. Yes or no? This is not down. We have this channel over here. This is a channel. We are consolidating around here. Yes or no? So right now, we are consolidating over at the top here. Okay. So right now it's sideways. Do you all get what I'm saying? So again, if you do STI is Hang Seng Index is not suitable. not suitable to do position weekly. Okay, what you want to do is, if you want to do Hang Seng Index, same thing for STI, you do your lines. Yes or no? Actually, it's not so difficult. Do you know how to do the lines? Type yes if you don't, type no if you don't know. Okay, if you don't know, you aga like that, right? Do click this button over here. This is called the what? Regression line. Just draw from here to here. Aga, you see the trend. Yes or no? Oh, if you can draw better, then you can say, okay, maybe it's not this linear regression line. The actual line is something like this. Yes or no? Roughly lah. Type yes if you understand. Linear regression lines is on math now, okay? But if you do your normal lines, then it will be something like this, like this, like this. You got it? You don't need to be very accurate. Yes or no? You just the TA term, the very scientific term for TA is called aga. You aga see, right? Like that means correct already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So right now we are around 25%. If let's say this is 0%, this is 100%, we are around 25% cheap. So for STI, then it's good. For Hang Seng, if you're dollar cost averaging, then now you can dollar cost average. Yes or no? Does it mean that you not go back to here? No lah. But if let's say dollar cost averaging over time should have that range. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so same thing for STI, same thing for Hang Seng. You can see that this trend. My opinion, what is my opinion is this will not drop below. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand, will not drop below this uptrend line. Why? Because of what? I also mentioned this before. Wow, today I'll go one very good question. How to join SMT class? From Stanley Lim. How to join SMT class? Good question, okay? How to join SMT class is you go to this link and sign up, okay? CollinSeow.com/SWB, okay? CollinSeow.com/SWB. We have a preview coming up on Wednesday. That's coming up. Okay, so come and join us. Okay, today we do a bit different, okay? Instead of saying typing SMT, if you recommend SMT, instead of typing why you join SMT, type in what you learn in SMT. We must do a bit different things, okay? In SMT community, what have you learned, or what have you learned from SMT? Okay, do different thing, okay? Okay. Okay, it do simple, okay? Type SMT, you recommend SMT to the rest, okay? Because ask you all what you learn, you don't know what to say. Okay. SMT or discipline, teamwork, hold hand and jump together. Walao, okay. This one may not be good. Okay. Well, Collin and the team very tight. Actually, it's not me lah. Okay, guys, you all understand that trading is not about trading is not about how to say 准 or not 准. Okay, I want you all to take that 准 or not 准out of the picture. Do you follow what I'm saying? At the end of the day, right, trading must be a systematic, non-emotional, logical way of buying and selling. That yes, if you understand, that means if I wrong, I also know why I'm wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? I don't need to 100% every single trade make money. Yes or no? Okay, I don't need to have every single trade make money. But what I want to do, the fact that like people like Lich in batch what? That you are in here means you have a better understanding of the market. Does it make sense or not? Type yes if it makes sense. Okay, public also type yes if it makes sense. Okay, so that is the thing we want. It is not just about zun or not zun. Do you follow what I'm saying? I learned to avoid the three kind of trend. Okay, so thanks for participating. Okay, thanks for typing your SMT. Thanks for Zach also outside. Okay, you never trade alone. You never what alone. Okay, okay. So that is the key lah. The key is one day, even if I don't do the weekly webinar, you will still know how to understand and know about the market. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. That is the key. It's not just about following someone. The only one you should follow is yourself, and you should continue to invest in yourself to become better and better. Does it make sense or not? So I don't want to have that become a person focus, but rather a principle focus. Yes or no? If you're principle focused, you focus on the right thing, doing the right risk management, trading with trend, buy strong, sell weak. This kind of principle will not go wrong one. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So these are the things that I want to share with you all. Okay. So trading is not hitting jackpot. Trading is about risk management. Trading is not to buy the cheapest. That is not trading. Or in fact, buy the cheapest is usually not a good strategy. Trading is about riding trend also. By now, you all should know. Yes or no? Okay. So that is what I want to share with all of you. Okay. Why is it don't focus on a person? Why is it don't focus on a person or a guru? It's not good. Why is it not good? By the way, this is very it's very transparent. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. I'm quite transparent. Okay. Yes or no. In SMT, I say every week I meet you all, I'm very transparent. Why is it no good to focus on someone? I say, oh, if you worship this very true guru and you follow for half a year, 1 year, wow, every time you trade make money, then suddenly you lose money, then you go to the next guru, then he zun a while, after not zun the next guru, then you at the end of the day, you get nothing. Yes or no? You get nothing because you also only learn how to look for guru. That is not a skill. Got it or not? So at the end of the day, it is compared to I never attend class and now I attend class, do I understand? Do I know more about how the market moves? And the reason why I do a weekly webinar is to demonstrate to you this. Yes or no? Like yes, if you understand. Okay. So it's not just about knowing how to get in and out, because not everyone will always learn how to get. It's not just about getting in and out, but it's about managing your emotions. Okay. Okay. So not finished yet. Okay. So let's now ask about ETF for Hang Seng. You can look at 2800. Okay. This one is the ETF. Okay. For tracker fund. Okay. Hang Seng tracker fund. Okay. Or you can buy my dollar cost averaging stock. How many know what is my dollar cost averaging stock? What is my dollar cost averaging stock? Hey, by the way, sets are still sideways. Type yes if you all understand. Still sideways. I already say when I buy it. I already say I'll hopefully go sideways for a longer time. Okay, so it is still sideways. Okay, but in terms of the cheap or expensive, it is considered cheap lah. Yes or no? Hello? Oh, that is the context. Okay. Will it go to zero? I don't know. I'm not God. Okay. So, but either cheap or expensive, this is considered cheap. Got it? Okay. I think guys, you must understand. Chances are, I don't know. I don't follow the what's that called? The news one. I don't follow the news. I don't follow income, quarterly announcement. I don't follow at all. I don't have lah. Yes or no? I don't do that. Okay, what I do is just buy, hold for a few years, exit already. Type yes if you understand. How many prefer this kind of method? Okay, easier lah. Okay, if you keep reading news, I guarantee you will not buy STI right when you're like 2020 in April, peak of COVID. Yes or no? You will not do that lah. Yes or no? Okay, so that is the key. Okay. So next index. Anyone else? Any other index? Not advised to buy and sell. Okay, so please don't blame me later. Okay. Japan, I also mentioned this before. Japan is strong or weak? Nikkei, strong or weak? Strong, right? Okay, strong, okay, you have broken the high, right now coming back, okay, but it's strong. Can you all see a setup? There's actually a setup. What setup is that? That's the SMT graduate. What kind of setup? Must tell me the actual setup for how long? Setup for how long? I think there is a swing setup. Okay, swing setup. Can you all see the swing setup? Type yes if you can see the swing setup. This is not the 10 MA lah. Hello, this is the 20 MA lah. The 9 MA is here lah. Oh, okay. 10 MA 这个不是这个啊 okay, so 10 MA CCI low already. There is a setup already. Oh, ideally what you want to look for is you pull back to the 20 MA then have the CCI. Yes or no? But this one is 10 MA because why? Because the trend is very what? Strong. Yes or no? Okay, the trend is very strong. Okay, so that is for okay, let's systematic. Let's do position weekly first. Done. Position weekly done. Uptrend already. Position daily also up. Okay, exited already. There was an entry here, there's an entry here, there's an entry here, but over here exited already. Type yes if you all agree. Okay, so that is for the position daily. Okay, so if you want to do 3 to 9 months, 3 to 9 months straight, coming soon, akan datang. Okay, coming soon. If there is an arrow with teeth, then you can get in already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so you look for 3 to 9 months straight, look for Nikkei lah. Oh. Next, last one is swing daily. Swing daily. Actually, not much people do swing daily Nikkei lah, I believe. Okay, right now it's consolidating. Right now, don't have setup for long. Oh, don't have setup for long. Got it? Okay, so just one more thing is just our position week, swing weekly, guys. If it's a very strong uptrend, right? If a very strong uptrend and you see the CCI low already, chances are it may not pull back to the 20. Why? Because prior to this is very strong. Yes or no? Prior to this is very strong, so it may not pull back to 20. Okay. Okay, finish my finish my Nikkei. Any other index? Any other index you want to take a look? Index don't do long term. Don't use CFD lah. Okay, because it's going to be very costly. Okay, 2823 China. 2823. Wow, today is it? Today strong. Okay, so today pull back already, but this week has been strong. Okay, or last week has been strong. Yes or no? See, the price went up. Okay, everything. Okay, so it's quite similar to the Hang Seng Index. Yes or no? Quite similar to the Hang Seng Index. We have this, and then we have this. Okay, so from here right now, price is going up again. Okay, so right now it is like sideways trend now. Okay, so sideways trend. And in terms of long-term cheap or expensive, this is considered cheap or expensive. Long-term cheap or expensive. Consider cheap, okay? Consider cheap. Okay, so from here you can draw this line. Okay, so I think you can draw from here like this. Okay. But yes, if you all can see that, okay, not necessary to buy at the cheapest. Aga here, okay, already. Okay. So next is other things. Okay, I think public one. Wing on Guok. Do y'all want to do Bitcoin or later than do? Does it matter if we buy in pre-market? Don't buy in pre-market. Always do when the market is open. Okay. All our trigger, we wait for market to open, then go in. Okay. Okay. If not, let's say buy to the graduate. Okay. Before we go buy to the graduate first, buy to the public first. Any other question?